India is significantly ramping up its military infrastructure in the eastern Ladakh to bolster the preparedness along the sensitive and often violated the line of actual control with the China. One of the most critical development in this strategy is the establishment of a full-fledged fighter aircraft base in the remote town of Neoma. Situated at an altitude of nearly 13,700 feet, Neoma's transformation into a high-altitude airbase marks a major leap in India's defense capabilities. Once operational in the upcoming months, it will greatly enhance India's surveillance, rapid deployment, and operational agility in the known region for its extreme terrain and the strategic importance. Neoma's proximity to the LAC makes it a crucial asset, allowing the fighter jets and unmanned aerial vehicles to maintain a persistent presence in the skies and respond quickly to any sort of threats. This move is a part of the broader military push to establish the strongholds and critical infrastructure in the forward areas that have seen increased friction and face-off in the recent years. In parallel, work is underway on an alternate access route to the Daulat Beg Oldi (DBO), the country's highest and one of the most strategically vital military outposts. Expected to be completed by the next year, this new access will enable the faster troop mobilization and significantly improve logistical support, particularly in emergencies or standoff situations. According to the defense sources, these developments are not merely reactive measures to past incursions but are embedded in a long-term vision for the military modernization. The focus is on infrastructure, mobility, and deterrence, the key pillars for securing India's mountainous frontiers. As terrain and tensions both demand increased vigilance, India's mountain warfare strategy is being reshaped with precision, foresight, and a clear emphasis on the readiness in high altitudes and the conflict zones. As terrain and tensions both demand increased vigilance, India's mountain warfare strategy is being reshaped with precision, foresight, and a clear emphasis on the readiness in high altitude comfort zones.